Hey friends, are you loving the new rose gold trend and looking to style a wedding, a rose gold wedding, event, or home table? Well, today I'm sharing my top 5 rose gold wedding styling tips. Now, for tip number 1, choose colors that are complementary to rose gold. My favorite is this beautiful blush pink color. It's the perfect pairing to rose gold, timeless and elegant. Of course, traditional white and ivory are also beautiful with rose gold. If you wanted to add a little bit of extra depth and dimension and drama to this table, I think adding some burgundy and wine colors would be a great addition as well. And when you can't find an element in rose gold, I definitely recommend going with traditional gold as it pairs beautifully. I wanted some rose gold cutlery, I couldn't find it, but this gold cutlery works very well with rose gold, as does this gold rimmed champagne flute and the gold Chiavari chairs. So don't be shy about mixing gold with rose gold. I think it works really, really well. Tip number 2, rose gold is a metal, so include some metallic rose gold elements. My favorite are these absolutely stunning rose gold napkin rings from totallydazzled.com. These are absolutely sparkling and glamorous. It's the perfect finishing touch to a rose gold wedding. Some other rose gold embellishments that you can find at totallydazzled.com are these beautiful little embellishments that I've added to these cute little favor jars. They're absolutely gorgeous and make a beautiful addition to the table. We also have these brooches that we've added to the candles. And lastly, brooches on the back of the chair sashes. Tip number 3, why not include rose gold as part of your food and drinks? Today, I've filled these beautiful champagne glasses with a sparkling rosé. Not only is it delicious and a great way to kick off your wedding ceremony, but it's a beautiful addition to the wedding table decor. Tip number 4, rose gold sequins. It's fairly easy to find. Today I've used this gorgeous rose gold sequin table runner. A full rose gold sequin tablecloth would be great. Or what about putting your bridesmaids in rose gold sequin dresses? How glamorous. Tip 5, don't forget to incorporate rose gold not only in the table and reception decor, but throughout the wedding. Totallydazzled.com has these beautiful little rhinestone buckles that would be perfect to add to a wedding invitation, and so many brooches which would be absolutely gorgeous pinned to a bridal sash or on the hip of a bridesmaid's dress. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Question for you, what tip did you find the most helpful? And if you have a styling tip you'd like to share with me, I would love to hear from you. So please share your best styling tips in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and share button. Until next time, thank you for watching, and Totally Dazzled is where you can find all of the incredible rose gold glam that you need for your next wedding or event.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.